The book is big. The book is big. This house is small. This house is small. He is very happy. He is very happy. I am very sad. I am very sad. The coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. The water is cold. The water is cold. He is so tall. He is so tall. She is very short. She is very short. The food is good. The food is good. The movie was bad. The movie was bad. This is a new car. This is a new car. I have an old phone. I have an old phone. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. The room is dark. The room is dark. She is very kind. She is very kind. He is very fast. He is very fast. The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. This bag is heavy. This bag is heavy. The feather is light. The feather is light. The soup is salty. The soup is salty. This cake is sweet. This cake is sweet. The path is long. The path is long. The street is short. The street is short. The car is clean. The car is clean. My shirt is dirty. My shirt is dirty.